Hi everybody, it's Steve from Koozai. A lot of our clients ask us if they're able to use their CRM database and target those users with adverts. And the answer is yes, you can. So I'm going to take a couple of minutes now just to show you how to upload that data into Google Ads. And the data can be uploaded to Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever platform you are using. But for this video, I'm just going to show you how to do it for Google Ads. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Google Ads account, and you want to go to the Tools and Settings section, over to the Shared Library, and then down to Audience Manager. And we click on Audience Manager. That then opens this page here. We need to click on the blue cross, and we want to upload a customer list. So we click on that one. And that brings us to this page here. As you can see, there's a lot of templates that we can use and a lot of formatting guidelines. But basically for an email address upload, it's very, very simple. I'm just going to show you an example here in this Excel sheet. All it needs to be is one column. The column needs to be called email because that's what's recognized when it's uploaded to Google Ads. And you just list your email addresses in that column. As you can see, I've got 3 made up emails here, but you'll have a lot more email addresses. You just list them in that column, and then you save that file as a CSV. And that's really important that it's saved as a CSV because that's the format that's recognized when we upload to Google Ads. So once we've sorted out the list, I'm going to minimize that. We can then come in and upload it. Before we do that, we're just going to give our audience a name. So we're going to call it something like CRM Database. Perhaps this is a list of people who've signed up to your newsletter. So we'll call it newsletter signups. And we're just going to give it a name, something like August 2020, because that shows us when we uploaded it. And we can then re-upload and get new users into that list in a few months' time. As you can see, we can upload email addresses, phone numbers, names and addresses. However, the most simple and effective way of targeting your CRM database is by using email addresses. As you can see here, we can either upload as plain text data or hash data. We always recommend uploading the plain text data. The reason being is that that data will be hashed when it's uploaded. And what that means is it basically turns your database into code so people can't access that data. So if we're managing your account, we can't go in and find the users that are in your email database. Once you upload it, it's completely hashed. It will be able to be used, but you can't see the email addresses in the file. So then we'll use this option here, and we simply choose the file that we want to upload. So this is our file that we created. We're going to upload that. And we're just going to tick this box to say that it complies with Google's customer match policies. If you want to have a read of those policies, you can click on this link and you can find out what they are, but it's pretty straightforward. We just upload it, we tick the box, and then we come down to here to upload and create the list. As you can see there, it's hashing and uploading, and we get a success message to say that the 3 rows we uploaded were all in the correct format, which is really, really good. Of course, you'll have many more rows than 3. A couple of considerations that it's important to mention at the moment is that the matching process can take up to 24 hours. So what Google will do is it will find the users that are in your email address list, and it will match them to users across Google. And when they're searching, it will match those, and we can increase our bids. It's important that your list is 1,000 users or more. So lists must have at least 1,000 matched users. So if you're uploading a list with 1,000 users, it's likely that some of them won't get matched. So ideally, you would have a much larger list than 1,000 users. the larger our list, the more accurate it is really, and the better results you're going to have. So I would certainly recommend having an email address upload of more than 1,000 users. So hopefully you found that useful. You're now confident uploading your CRM database into Google Ads. And yeah, you can use it to target those users that you already have details of. So thanks for watching.